So, namaste everyone. This is Harsha Ramaiya on her favorite page, Small Wonders. And today, again, I have Swasti with me, and she's here today to give out best out of waste. जिसको बोलते हैं ना कि जो कबाड़ हमारे घर पे पड़ा हुआ है उसमें से कुछ अच्छी चीजें. So, reducing, reusing, and recycling, I think it's a way forward. And today, Swasti has managed to get all on her table, and this table is going to be so creative. अभी थोड़ा mess लग रहा है मुझे सब चीजें, but I think when she will try to make things, वो सारा mess एकदम creativity में बदल जाएगा. So I'm really happy to again welcome Swasti. Swasti, welcome and thank you for all the time, all the effort that you are making to make this show so colorful and so creative.
Thank you, ma'am. Pleasure is all mine. Thank you so much.
और जो मेस की मैंने बात की, मैंने इसलिए की बिकॉज मेरी एक फ्रेंड है कुंतल, वो भी बहुत शौकीन है टू मेक थिंग्स बेस्ट आउट ऑफ वेस्ट. तो वो हमेशा ऐसा बोलती है कि हर्षा व्हेन यू कम टू माय हाउस तेरे को ऐसा लगेगा कि मैं किसी कबाड़ी के घर पे आ गया हूँ. एंड आफ्टर यू लीव फ्रॉम माय हाउस यू विल हैव सो मेनी ब्यूटीफुल थिंग्स इन योर हैंड्स कि लगेगा ही नहीं कि ये कबाड़ में से आपने कुछ अच्छा बनाया है. So I mentioned that, but I'm really looking forward for this session because जो तीनों session हमने plan किए थे उसमें I was looking forward for this session, Swasti.
Okay, ma'am. No, ma'am. So thank you, ma'am. There are so many things which are lying in our home, and sometimes we think that it is of no use, but वो हमारे लिए बहुत काम की हो सकती है, and especially during this lockdown time when we cannot go out to purchase something. तो घर में ही जो चीजें अवेलेबल है, how we can utilize it to make the teaching aids and some interesting activities for the children. So that was my motive behind this particular session. So I welcome you all. Let's start with it. So first, I would like to show you that we all are having the bags, paper bags, right? We go for shopping and nowadays we are using the paper bags only. So I will be first telling you how to utilize that. So here I am having this a small bag. What I have done is I have sticked the cutout of elephant. See, this is the trunk here, and on the portion or on the part which get extended, which get open, I have sticked on that. So this elephant is like this. Fine. So this is how it goes. I have also made one more. I'll just show you all. Yeah. This is again utilizing the paper bag. Fine. So in this, I have tried to make the grandpa, who is going to narrate a story. So it goes like this. When the grandpa opens his mouth, then it goes like this. So this is another form of recycling, reusing the paper bag that is already there. So when he speaks, it opens up and it closes. So this is another form that I have made. The first one is any animal or any shape that you wish to give. Just see to it, ये जो portion open होता है, we have to stick on that part. Fine. And if you wish to give it a 3D effect, we can have the lips here so that when it opens up, it moves like this. So this is how I'm utilizing my bags, paper bags. I have few more activities as well. See, this is the smooth stone that we are having at home. Fine. So I have painted it. I have made the story, the monkey and the crocodile. To give it a different effect, I have made this ears out of the paper mache. मैंने उसमें बनाए हैं. And this is the crocodile. You can see. So the monkey and the crocodile. So again, let the children feel the texture. It's rough. मैंने बाहर की तरफ उसके teeth निकाले हैं, and the eyes are also like popping up. So this is how it is. So the monkey and the crocodile, I can teach this way. Again, this was lying at my home, so I utilized it. Another use of the same smooth stone is I have made activity which will be like catering to 3 to 4 types of development. I'll show you how I have done that. See, we all are having books, story books, which are lying like last year ones, or we have sometimes extra books. तो मैंने क्या किया है, I have uh, made the cutout. जो text part है, sometimes we don't remember the words, so the text part I have sticked on this sheet, and I have given different colors. जहां से मैंने pictures निकाला है, वहां पे मैंने different colors use किए हैं. I'll explain you the other way. Wait. See, if you are good at painting, you can paint, then it is just perfect. But sometimes we have to give so much of detail that this small stone is not just enough. So what I do personally is I take out the pictures from the book. Fine. Picture part I take off. I just soak it in water for 1 or 2 minutes. और उसके बाद मैं उसे stick कर देती हूँ फेविकॉल से stone के ऊपर. So you can see that, right? So this is how it is. All the 4 picture. This is the lion and the mouse story. So मैंने क्या किया है, सारे जो pictures थे, 4 pictures it was having. So I have sticked it on different colors stone. This I have given blue, orange, and then yellow, and then again green. So these are different colors. So we can teach children to match the color. If they are of playgroup or nursery class, they cannot read the story, they can very well match it with the color. So the green will be here. This will be the place where they have to place the green one. So they can relate the picture also. It will help them to read. Fine. And the blue color will go here. That way we can tell them the story color wise. Second use is I have mentioned number on it. If you see, this is 3 number. And I have also written 1, 2, 3 as per the sequence. So I can give it to different children. I can ask them 3 number kiske paas hai, 2 number kiske paas hai, and just to recognize the number and place the stone. So that way is number recognition plus who comes after whom, sequence. That way they understand from the single teaching aid. They can learn that also. Then again, for better eye-hand coordination, there's this number. They have to put it on the circle only, not here and there, exactly on the circle. So that way also one activity can be planned using this single one. We can give stone to all the children, 4 of them, we can call them, we can give them, we can tell them to narrate the scene. Once after explaining the whole story, we can tell them that in particularly this stone, what you are observing. So if I talk about this stone, the lion is sleeping and the mouse is jumping on. So let them express themselves, let them say what they feel like, what they understand in their own language. So it's a very good way of, encouraging them to communicate. So this is how I have made it. Junior, senior children can very well relate. We can tell them to stand in queue as per the order, as per the sequence in the story. So that way, this particular stone, right, can be used for multiple purpose. Mamas can make, you can utilize it to introduce fruits, you can utilize it to make the way means of transport. आपको जैसे भी अच्छा लगता है आप उस ढंग से इस चीज को कर सकते हैं, बट मैंने सिर्फ स्टोरीज की फॉर्म में यूज किया है. सो वी हैव ऑल दीज थिंग्स लाइंग एट होम, so I have used that. Just in case अगर आपके पास ये नहीं है, you can make it out of paper. Simply paper को soak करिए and just make the roll out of it. That also you can use. Stick picture on it. If you are having a cardboard, stick picture on that if you are not having the stones. So that way multiple creatively you can do it. So this was another use of the waste. This is doll. Every girl loves to have a doll. So this is another way. I had some wool with me. This is the ball and some lace. So what I did, I made this doll out of it, which moves its head. So again, you can do this type of activity with your child at home. आप girl, boy, कुछ भी बना सकते हैं. This is just sticked on the pencil. और मैंने ये pencil पे बनाया. This is chart sheet. This is blouse is again of chart. और ये मैंने थोड़ा सा effect देने के लिए lace लगाया है उसके ऊपर. So details and other things you can do with your child. They will love it, they will enjoy it. Another very interesting thing which I really loved is this. It is having spice story. This is the empty sachet of Szechuan chutney. So what I did, I loved it seriously. Uh, Here I have attached beets to it to give it a shaky effect, right? When my child is not eating, I can have this. That this is the Szechuan boy. He used to have all the food, he was very healthy, or the way you wish to make the story. और मैंने उसको लेग के लिए थ्रेड में बीट्स बांधे हैं. So all the things are like very shaky. At the same time, it's the best utilization I feel. So this one is that. और ऊपर मैंने उसको डिटेल देने के लिए वूल लगाया है and the face cut out. This is how it is from the back. जो कैप है उसको मैंने उसके ऊपर टेप से स्टिक किया है. So this can be another way. This was, you all must be aware of. ये मैंने मेरे पास एक बॉक्स था. So what I have done is, since this box is very small, what I did, मुझे जिस भी चीज को इंट्रोड्यूस करना है, this particular thing I have made for water animals. So इसमें मैंने अंदर हैंग किए हैं. There is coral, there are flowers. बहुत सारी डिटेलिंग अंदर मैंने की है. Might not be visible if you can see that. And these are the flaps. So flaps को मैं कैसे यूटिलाइज करने वाली हूँ, जिस भी चीज का मुझे डिस्क्रिप्शन देना है, that I'm going to stick over here details or the catchy words or the color where it is found, all that details I can mention over here. यहाँ पे मैंने 4 fishes stick किए, seahorse, just Nemo fish, starfish, that way, so I can give information related to these fish. So इस तरह से I am utilizing this empty box of mine. You can make anything. You can make circles. You can make school. आप इसका hut भी बना सकते हैं. Happy family बना सकते हैं बाहर. So, but I preferred using, since it was a blue color, so it gave me the idea that I don't have to paint it even. I can directly utilize it for aquarium. So this is what I did with the box. Now, the empty boxes that we are having. See, this is my crocodile. We are going to make it today. So this is another thing that I did. It's out of the, I think, close-up box that I have used. I have made this teeth or under se tongue hai, and this is how I am playing with it. Putting fingers on the upper side and here the thumb. So it talks. Children find it very interesting when we narrate a story using these type of puppets, and it's very easy to make. You can easily make it with your child. So this is the crocodile. I have one snake. Hi. So this is my snake. I have given it the texture using the sketch pen, and this is how it is. So let's these were some of the things that I have prepared out of the things available at my home. Out of the shampoo bottle, Sunsilk one, you can make crow. Out of the conditioner white bottle, you can make penguins. There are many things. The bigger jar of vinyl, we can make elephant out of it. We have to just paint it, and this way we can put the head on it. So this way, this type of cutout we can stick. So the empty bottle can also be used. So let's do the activity for today. I wanted you to learn that. So see, this was a simple box I had at home. What I did is I have covered it with white sheet. मैंने उसको पूरा जो हम लोग गिफ्ट के लिए यूजुअली पैक करते हैं, that way I have wrapped it. मैंने उसको पूरा रैप किया हुआ है व्हाइट कलर में, और उसको सेंटर में मेजरमेंट लेकर सेंटर से मैंने उसे कट किया है. If you wish to make dog or crocodile like this, then don't cut it half. This is, if you can see, it is 3/4 and 1/4 proportion. So based on the type of animal that you need to make, you have to decide about the proportion. So here, since I'm making a rabbit, so मैंने उसको cut किया है half. So simple है. Box को मैंने पूरा cover किया है white sheet से, and then मैंने उसको half सेंटर लेकर 3 पार्ट्स में 1, 2 and 3. You don't have to cut it totally, right? So that way I have done that. Now this opens like this. मैंने ऑलरेडी ईयर्स कट करके रखे हैं. सिंपल शेप जो ईयर की है वो मैंने कट करके उसको सेंटर से कट करके थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट इफेक्ट देने के लिए मैंने उसको बीच से स्टिक किया है. So now I'm going to stick it over here. To make it fast, I'm using sellotape. So, so now the ears are stick. These are the two eyes, simple round shape eyes I have made with little extension so that I can stick it. So this is how it is. I'll just show it to you. See, this is how it is. Fine. And मैंने पहले से nose कट करके रखा था on the pink paper with whisk attached to it. अब मैं वो यहाँ पर लगा दूंगी. To make it quick, I'm just using sellotape directly. आप glue use कर सकते हैं. See. So my rabbit is ready. Right? Please आप लोग इसे practice करिएगा. Use it, do it with your child. They will love it. You can create any animal that you wish to. So this is how the rabbit talks. We can have tongue if you want. We can have teeth, detailing. If you wish to give it a shade of pink, all that we can do. But just for the demo, I have done this much. So this is how it is going to look, the final one. I'll just show you again with chalk. So this ways we can have our mini gym. And I feel this is the best way to utilize whatever we are having or lying at home. So this was for today. So I hope you must have liked the utilization of things that are there. There are so many things to share. There are so many ways to create things. आप जब किसी भी चीज को देखें, just try to create something out of it. Utilize it the way you wish to. थोड़ा सा हम लोग जब उस चीज को एग्जामिन करेंगे, we will be in a situation, we will understand how we can use it. तो अब बारी है एक बहुत सुंदर स्टोरी की. I am as Harsha ma'am, you were saying that you were very excited about this particular session. I am excited about this story. So we will be having the story session now. ये स्टोरी जो है मैंने NCERT और फिल्म डिवीजन मुंबई में ली है. काफी पुरानी स्टोरी है, but I love the message. So here I'll be narrating that story. Just a sec. Fine. So I'm all set with my story. Okay. One day, Rohan was sitting with his sister. They both were playing, and sister started drawing something. She was drawing. So Rohan went to his sister and he asked, "Didi, आप क्या कर रहे हो?" She said, "I am writing a story." Rohan was very excited. He said, "Please गा के सुनाओ ना, आप ये story कौन सी सुना रहे हो, कौन सी story बना रहे हो?" So here comes the story. It is एक चिड़िया, अनेक चिड़िया, एक चिड़िया, एक एक करके अनेक चिड़िया दाना चुगने बैठ गई थी, दाना चुगने बैठ गई थी। और पता है क्या हुआ? वहां शिकारी ने जाल बिछाया हुआ था। रोहन ने पूछा, तो क्या सारी चिड़िया फंस गई, सारी चिड़िया मर गई? दीदी ने बोला, नहीं नहीं, हिम्मत से गर जुटे रहे तो, छोटे हो पर बने रहे तो बड़ा काम भी होए भैया। विच मीन्स कि भले ही हम कितने भी छोटे हों, पर अगर हम हिम्मत से एक साथ मिलकर कोई भी काम करें तो हम लोग सक्सेसफुल हो जाते हैं। रोहन आज फिर चिड़िया ने क्या किया? तो दीदी ने बताया, चतुर चिड़िया, सयानी चिड़िया, जाल लेकर भागी चिड़िया, फिर और वो सारी चिड़िया एक साथ मिलकर पूरा जाल लेकर उड़ गई। शिकारी पीछे पीछे भागता रहा। तो दीदी उन्होंने जाल का क्या किया? दूर एक गांव के पास चिड़ियाओं के दोस्त रहते थे चूहे। उन्होंने चिड़िया का जाल कुट 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 काट दिया और वो सब फ्री हो गए। सारे के सारे एक साथ मिलकर रहने लगे। तो देखा आपने, जब सारे के सारे अनेक लोग एक हो जाते हैं तो कितना मजा आता है। इस स्टोरी के थ्रू हम एक और अनेक वाली बात को एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं, वन एंड मेनी का कॉन्सेप्ट। जैसे रोहन समझ गया कि दिस इज एक, अगर हम सब एक मुट्ठी हो जाए, एक साथ मिल जाए, अनेक जो है वो एक हो जाए तो एक ताकत बन जाती है, एक मुट्ठी बन जाती है और फिर हम लोग किसी भी सिचुएशन से लड़ सकते हैं। दीदी ने से उन्होंने पूछा, तो क्या हम इस सिचुएशन में कोरोना से भी लड़ सकते हैं? दीदी ने जवाब दिया, हाँ, पर इसके लिए हमें घर में रहना होगा। और फिर वो सारी चिड़िया वापस से हंसते हंसते खुशी खुशी घर चली गई। सो दिस वाज माय स्टोरी फॉर टुडे। आई होप आपको अच्छी लगी होगी एंड हम लोग सब यही कोशिश करेंगे, एक अनेकता में एकता वाली, और कोशिश करेंगे कि हम लोग सब मिलजुल कर एक साथ इस कोरोना वायरस से फाइट करें। तो दिस वाज माय स्टोरी फॉर टुडे। आई होप आप सबको पसंद आएगी। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you so
Thank you
much,
so much,
Swati.
Swati.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
I really don't have any words to express because I liked the DIYs that you made, specifically that rabbit, because I'm going to make it and I'll share my video of making to you also, so that you feel that your students have done a good job. And this अनेक चिड़िया वाला concept भी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा because we've grown up, listening to this poem when it used to flash on the DD News. तो बहुत अच्छे से, और इसके साथ आपने जो कोरोना वायरस वाला जो एक तड़का लगाया, तो इट इज सो रिलेटिव कि बच्चों को अच्छा भी लगे एंड यू आर एबल टू गिव दैट कॉन्सेप्ट ऑल्सो ऑफ कोरोना वायरस इन अ वेरी नेचुरल एंड वेरी वेरी हिस्टोरिकल मेथड. सो आई रियली लाइक इट. स्वाति, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ऑल द वैल्यूएबल टाइम दैट यू गेव. बहुत 3 दिन बहुत कम होते हैं. So anytime when you find a little time, please do spare it with us so that our audience also can benefit from the knowledge that you have, Swasti.
Sure, ma'am. That would be my pleasure. I would love to do that. And
So,
this is like, I'm really thankful to you for providing me the platform. I enjoyed every moment of it. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Swasti. You've been really very, very lively. That is what I really liked about you. I wanted to comment, but then I said कि नहीं मैं आपको face to face ही बताऊंगी. The way you present the story, the way you आप घुस जाते हो story के अंदर and you can feel that character. So I really like that about you. And ये तीनों दिन सेशन एक से बढ़कर एक था, but आज का सेशन is very close to my heart because I really advocate recycling the products that are in our homes, you know. So lot can be done, as you mentioned. Time की कमी की वजह से आपने बहुत कम चीजें बताई पर बहुत समझाया कि हम कैसे कैसे उन चीजों को इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. But we really want to have more out of you, Swasti. So definitely we'll get in touch further. Thank you, Swasti.
Mama, TV, TV. Mama, TV, TV.